I understand that feeling of waking up not quite at your best, a subtle sense of discomfort that's hard to name. But did you know that the lining of your gut has a surface area of a tennis court and it completely renews itself every few days? This vast, delicate barrier is your first line of defense, and how you treat it first thing in the morning can set the tone for your entire day, and indeed, your long-term health. For centuries, cultures around the world have revered a simple, slow-simmered elixir. Today, we call it bone broth. But what does modern science say? Esteemed institutions like the Cleveland Clinic highlight the importance of amino acids, the very building blocks of life, found abundantly in a well-made broth. We're talking about glycine, proline, and glutamine, compounds critical for building proteins, repairing tissue, and maintaining cellular function. Let's focus on the gut. Imagine the lining of your intestines as a finely woven fabric with tight seams known as tight junctions. These junctions decide what gets absorbed into your bloodstream and what stays out. The amino acid L-glutamine, a star player in bone broth, serves as a primary fuel source for the cells of the gut lining, helping to maintain the integrity of these critical seams and support a healthy intestinal barrier. The benefits extend far beyond digestion. The collagen and gelatin in bone broth provide the raw materials for your body's own collagen production. This is the protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity and provides the cushioning cartilage in our joints. As we mature, our natural collagen production declines. Supplying these foundational building blocks can be a powerful strategy for supporting smooth, supple skin and comfortable, mobile joints. So, how do we translate this science into a precise, effective morning ritual? This is the grand resolution. It begins with understanding the how and why. First, the protocol itself. Upon waking, before any other food or drink besides water, gently warm 200 to 250 milliliters of high-quality bone broth. The key is high quality. This means sourced from grass-fed animals if possible, and simmered for at least 12 to 24 hours to ensure maximum nutrient extraction. Check labels for zero added sugars and low sodium. Consuming it on an empty stomach is strategic. With no other foods to digest, the gut can absorb these specific amino acids with maximum efficiency, delivering them directly to the cells that need them for repair. The second part of the protocol is synergy. Later in the day, not with the broth itself, you must introduce a potent source of vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C is a non-negotiable cofactor in collagen synthesis. Your body cannot build collagen without it. This doesn't require a supplement. It can be as simple as consuming half a red bell pepper or one kiwi. This two-step process, priming the gut with broth and supplying the necessary cofactor later, creates a powerful internal system for repair and rejuvenation. Finally, to truly achieve that aha moment and secure lasting results, we must address what to avoid. It is counterproductive to support the gut lining with one hand while damaging it with the other. The third and final solution is diligent avoidance of specific antagonists. Number 1, highly processed and refined sugars, especially in the morning. Think of many commercial breakfast cereals, pastries, or sweetened yogurts. These can feed less desirable gut bacteria and promote a state of low-grade inflammation, directly opposing the calming, restorative properties of the broth. Number 2, certain industrial emulsifiers. Look for ingredients like polysorbate 80 or carboxymethyl cellulose on the labels of ultra-processed foods, like some store-bought dressings, non-dairy creamers, and ice creams. Scientific studies suggest these can erode the protective mucus layer of the gut, potentially compromising the very barrier you are trying to strengthen. By consciously removing these from your diet, particularly in the morning hours, you create an environment where the bone broth can do its work most effectively. This isn't about restriction, it's about strategic elimination to allow for profound restoration. This is how you take control of your cellular health from the moment you wake up.